What's up, everyone? This is Bill with BLRTUNING. Today's watch, this is another Invicta. As you guys may know, I'm a big collector of Invicta watches. This one is iridescent, so it kind of just changes colors. Really cool. Really nice mother of pearl inlay in there. Anyways, today's video for you, we are going to be doing another video on the side-by-side. So this is another product on our website. So it's link in the description below, blrtuning.co. Okay, so this is interior lights, so like dome lights for side-by-sides. So this would mount side-by-sides or, you know, your dune buggies, that type of stuff. But so basically the way it goes, you undo this Velcro, this would wrap around your roll cage, and then it does have spots for these small screws that are included. They're Phillips head stainless steel screws. Okay, so you can screw these in and make it more of a permanent solution. You know, you screw it into the bracket here, and this bracket does have a piece of metal inside here, so you see there it's flexible, but you get the idea. It threads into there, threads through there and into the light, and the light has pinholes on the bottom of it right there. Okay, this door opens up. We have batteries in these, so I can show you guys, but the batteries would not be included, obviously. It does take 4 AAAs each, and these go from white or green. Okay, these are available right now on our website. It's blrtuning.co. They are available in green and white, and they are available in red and white. So check the product description below. But so when you switch it to 2, it goes green lights, white lights. So this will be some dome lights that you can attach to your roll bar, and then the really nice part about it, at one end is Velcroed. So when you undo this Velcro, you lift this off and slide this light out. So the nice thing about that, if you don't screw them in, you can unvelcro this and this will just lift out and come out. Now you have a marker light. Let's say you broke down, you got help on the way, turn on your green light, set this light out on your tire or something like that on top of the car, you know, so people can see you really good. Or flip that white light and now you have a flashlight. They are LEDs. They are very bright. Okay, there's 24 LEDs in here in total. 12 green, 12 white. Okay, so really nice system. So we'll peel this off and show you guys. Yeah, really nice little system there. So we're going to install both of these, but you'll see an option to purchase either one or a set. If you buy the set, you'd be getting the second one at a discounted price. All of our items on our website always come with a decal. If you have a specific color of decal you're looking for, you can always email us and request a specific color. Okay, so this is real simple. Take you 10 minutes to install these. You need a Phillips head screwdriver, and you need 4 AAA batteries for each one. Okay, and we really like this setup. Obviously, there's ones out there that we could wire in and make a harness and everything, but this keeps it really simple. You don't got wires going everywhere, nothing like that. Makes it really mobile. You can just pull this off and use it as a flashlight or a marker. So that's why we went with this style. We really like this. So we're going to come out here. We're going to install it on the brand new H2, the TERYX 5 H2. Okay, so we are out here at the Kawasaki. This is the brand new TERYX 5 H2 Deluxe ES 2026. And we have our interior lights installed. So you see everything's lit up green in here. Really bright. It's dark outside right now. And everything is lit up really nice. So, and then what we did is, let me turn the light on here so you guys can see. Our switch is right here. So we can turn it to white. So I put it over towards the passenger side. Passenger can reach up and easily flip this, and I can get to both of them from the driver's seat. No problem. So we scooted that one as forward as possible. This one as forward as possible. And you can see interior is lit up like it's daylight out. So very bright, really impressive. And we can turn them to green if we're driving with them on. Turn them to green. Or if we need to be able to see in here really good at night, we can put them on white. Okay, I did put a spotlight since it's nighttime out here, so just so I can show you guys kind of how they operate. So we have up here, you have obviously we lifted this up just a little, enough to get the Velcro through and wrapped around. It goes through a buckle and then gets cinched tight. Okay, and then the Velcro gets fed back through, comes around. Now if you look, so obviously you have your switch, right? Okay, 2-position switch or 3-position switch, the middle is off. Okay, and then you have underneath here, you have this little tab right here. So if you pull this tab, the light comes out and then slides back. And now I have the light in my hand. So now I have a flashlight or a marker that I could set on top of the car, on top of the hood if we were out in the dunes and we broke down at night. We can set this somewhere, we can switch it to green so our friends coming to rescue us know that it's us. And then when you're putting it back up here, you can see this little loop on one end. So you just stick this through and then do that Velcro back up. Okay, so really cool design. You could put 2 of them up front here, 2 of them in the back. You'll see them on our website, and you'll see the option to order 1 or 2, so you can order them as a set, or you can order just 1 if you need just 1. So there'll be a link in the description below. I'm Bill with BLRTUNING. I hope you guys have a great day. Remember, go check us out. It's blrtuning.co.